Good morning, children. I am Bulbul Sen Gupta, your maths teacher. How are you, children? I hope all of you are fine. Children, today's topic is addition and subtraction by regrouping of unit number 5, that is length worksheet number 3. So here, children, firstly I will explain addition. Okay, now let us start with addition. Addition and subtraction by regrouping. So let us start with add. 39 meter, 59 centimeter and 41 meter and 71 centimeter. So here you have to add 39 meter, 59 centimeter. It is a one unit. 41 meter and 71 centimeter. Children, always see that 39 meter and 59 centimeter. These two are not different. These two are in the same unit. 39 meter, 59 centimeter, 41 meter and 71 centimeter. So let us start by regrouping. I am making the column of meter and centimeter. Correct? Now firstly I will write 39 meter, 59 centimeter. Now I will write just below it 41 meter, 71 centimeter. Okay? Now let us do addition. All of you see, whenever we add 59 meter, 59 centimeter, let's firstly we will add, in addition there is a rule, we have to start from extreme right side. Okay, this is the right side. So we have to start. So I will add 59 plus 71. Here all of you see. 59 plus 71 is equals what? 59 plus 71. It is equals 9 plus 1, 10. 7 plus 5, 12 and 13. 130. Right? So here all of you see, children. 59 plus 71, 1 plus 9, 10, 7 plus 5, 12 and 13. So here addition I get 13, 130 centimeter. So its 130 can be written as 1 meter and 30 centimeter. Correct? So this 30 centimeter will be written in this centimeter column. And now this 1 meter will be taken as a carryover in the meter column. Right? Now we will add it 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carryover, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. So it is 81 meter and 30 centimeter. Okay, children? Now all of you see. Again, what we will do, we will start from the extreme right side, that is from the lowest centimeter unit. So here firstly we will add 59 and 71. 59 and 71 equals 130 centimeter. This 130 we split it into 1 meter and 30 centimeter. Right? This 30 centimeter will be in why 1 meter, because 130, it is 100 plus 30. So 100 will become 1 meter and 30 will be 30 centimeter. This 30 centimeter I will write in the centimeter column, and this 1 will be taken as a carryover in the meter column. Okay. Now I will add 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carryover, 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So it is after addition 81 meter and 30 centimeter. Now let us take another example. Now let us take another example. Now add 3 meter, 52 centimeter and 8 meter, 46 centimeter. Now we will make the column meter and centimeter. So I will firstly write 3 meter 52 centimeter, and then 8 meter 46 centimeter. Put the addition operation. Now here we will start from the right side. We will firstly add this centimeter 52 and 46. So what is 52 plus 46 is equals what? 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 4 9. It is 98 centimeter. Okay. Now 98 centimeter. I will write this 98 centimeter in this 98 centimeter in this centimeter column. Now here there is a no carryover, no meter is there, because 98 centimeter is less than 100 centimeter. Now here we will add this meter column. 8 plus 3 11. So this is 11 meter and 98 centimeter. Okay children. Now let us discuss next topic, that is difference. Next topic is difference. We have to find difference means we have to do subtraction, right? By regrouping. For example, 13 kilometer and 355 meter and 28 kilometer 175 meter. So what is the difference? Difference means we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Here this 13 kilometer 355 meter, it is a 1 unit, and 28 kilometer 175 meter, it is 1 unit. So we will we will have to compare. Comparison is always done with the from the bigger unit. Say it is 28 kilometer and it is 13 kilometer. Which one is more? 28 kilometer. And 175 meter is more than 13 kilometer 355 meter. So let us regroup it, meter and centimeter. Okay. Now firstly I will write the greater number, 28 meter and 175 centimeter. Now below it I will write the smaller number, 13 it is kilometer and meter. Unit is kilometer and meter. So 28 kilometer 175 meter and 13 kilometer and 355 meter. Okay, we will do the subtraction, right? So what we will do, here you will see that we cannot subtract. We have to subtract from the right side, the smaller unit, that is meter is smaller than kilometer. So I will subtract this one, 175 minus 35. Is it possible? It is not possible. We cannot subtract 355 from the 175. We cannot do it. 175 minus 355, it is not possible. So what we will do? Let us borrow. We will borrow from where? From the greater unit, that is kilometer. We will borrow 1 kilometer from 28 kilometer. So here 28 will become what? 27. So 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to what? 1 kilometer borrow. Borrow 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meter. So this 1000 meter will be added with 175. Now this 175 will become what? It will become 1175, right? Now here we will do what I have done. This 175 is smaller than 355. I have borrowed 1 from 1 kilometer from this 28 kilometer. So 28 will be reduced to 27, and 1 kilometer, that is I borrow 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and we add 1000 meter with what? With this meter, 175 meter. So 1000 plus 175 meter equals 1175. Now we can do the subtraction. So 5 minus 5 is 0, starting from the right side. 7 minus 5, it is 2, and 13 minus 11 minus 3 is what? 11 minus 3 is 8, right? 8. Now here we will subtract. 7 minus, come to the here, kilometer. 7 minus 3 is 4, and it is 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 14 kilometer and 820 meter. Okay children? Now let us take another example. Here question is, find the difference between 8 meter 75 centimeter and 5 meter 53 centimeter. So here 8 meter 75 centimeter and 5 meter 53 centimeter. 53 centimeter. So here 8 meter 75 centimeter and 5 meter 53 centimeter. So let us regroup it in meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. So 8 meter 75 centimeter is more and 5 meter 53 centimeter is less. Firstly compare the two numbers. 8 meter 75 centimeter is more and 5 meter 53 centimeter is less than 8 meter 75 centimeter. So difference is always in between the bigger unit to the smaller unit, or you can say that smaller unit is subtracted from the greater unit. So here I am writing down firstly greater unit 8 meter 75 centimeter and 5 meter 53 centimeter just below it. Okay, we will do the subtraction. So in subtraction we will firstly start from the smaller unit centimeter. So we will subtract 75 minus 53. So here you see that 75 is more than 53. There is no question of borrowing. So we can easily subtract it. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So it becomes 22 centimeter. And here also in meter column 8 minus 5, 8 is more than 5. So it becomes 3 meter. So it is very easy. There is no question of borrowing. Okay children. Now let us take another example. Now subtract 9 kilometer 200 meter and 7 kilometer 450 meter. So we will regroup it in the column kilometer and meter. Now firstly I will write down the greater one, 9 kilometer 200 meter. 9 kilometer 200 meter. And then below that I will write a smaller one, 7 kilometer 450 meter. 450 meter 7 kilometer. We do the subtraction. Here all of you see, we will start the subtraction from the smaller unit. So here we have to subtract 200 minus 450. Is it possible? No. Then what we have to do? We have to borrow from the greater unit, that is kilometer. I will borrow 1 kilometer from where? From 9 kilometer. So 1 borrowing from 9 kilometer, 1 kilometer borrowed. So 9 will become what? 8. 9 will become 8. Right? This 1 kilometer that I have borrowed, the borrowed 1 kilometer, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So it will be added with 200 meters. So 1000 plus 200. 1000 plus 200 is equal to what? Is equal to what? Here all of you see. 1000 plus this 1000 meter is added with this, because I have borrowed 1 kilometer from this kilometer column. So 9 will reduce to 8 and 1 kilometer, that is 1 kilometer is borrowed, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer, 1000 meter will be added with this 200 meter. Now it becomes 1200 meter. Okay. So it will be changed after adding, it will become 1200 meter. this 200 will be changed to 1200 meter after borrowing 1 kilometer from this 9 kilometer. So here 9 will reduce to 8 and 1 kilometer becomes 1000 meter. 1000 meter is added with 200 meter, it becomes 1200 meter. Now we can easily subtract 1200 minus 450. So let's do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, and this 0 will become 10 and 2 will become 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now this 1 will become 11 and this will become 0. 11 minus 4 is 7. So 750 meter. Now it is, let us subtract 8 minus 7. It becomes 1 kilometer. So here answer is 1 kilometer 750 meter. Okay children? Now let us do another. Come to the worksheet. Worksheet number 3. Question number 1. I am solving 2 or 3 problems so that it will be easy for you to understand. Question number 1 is add. Right. So let us start with an example. 12, it is C. I am discussing C. 12 meter, 66 centimeter, comma, 34 meter, 23 centimeter and 42 meter, 35 centimeter. So let us arrange 12 meter 66 centimeter, 34 meter 23 centimeter and 42 meter 35 centimeter. Let us arrange these numbers, these units in a column. So I will make the column of meter and centimeter, because here meter and all the numbers are in meter and centimeter. So I will start to arrange first. I will arrange these numbers in a column. So 12 meter 66 centimeter, 12 meter 66 centimeter. Next 34 meter 23 centimeter, 34 meter 23 centimeter. 12 meter 66 centimeter is a 1 unit. 34 meter 23 centimeter, it is 1 unit. These two are not different. ये एक ही है. 42 meter 35 centimeter, ये एक है. They are belong to 1 unit. They are not different. So now let's write down 42 meter and 35 centimeter. Correct? Now we will do put the addition sign and now we will start the addition. Now here you will see that we have to add the smaller unit first, centimeter. 66 plus 23 plus 35 is what? 66 plus 23 plus 35, after addition it is 124. Okay? 124. Let's see. 3 plus 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 carry over. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 124 centimeter. So children, this 124, it can be written as 100 plus 24. This 124 we can write as 100 plus 24. Okay, that is equal to 124. And 100 centimeter is what? It is 1 meter. Right, and 24 centimeter. So this 24 centimeter will be written in the centimeter column, 24, and this 1 meter it will go as a carryover in the meter column. Correct? Now we will add it. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, and then 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. So it is 89 meter and 24 centimeter. Understood children? Firstly you will add this centimeter column, 63 plus 23 plus 35. It is equal to what? 124. Correct? Now this 124, we split 124 into 100 plus 24. 100 meter, 24 meter. 100 meter is 100 centimeter and 24 centimeter. It is 124 centimeter. Right. So it is 124 centimeter. So 124, it will be split into 100 plus 24. So 100 centimeter is having 1 meter and 24 centimeter is as it is. So this 24 centimeter I will write here and 1 meter will go in the as a carryover in the meter column. So after adding 12 plus 34 plus 42 plus 1 is equal to 89 meter. So your answer is 89 meter 24 centimeter. Now let us discuss another one. Next one is add 72 kilometer, 450 meter and 43 kilometer, 950 meter. So here kilometer and meter. So I will make the column of kilometer and meter. First one is 72 kilometer, 450 meter. So I will write down 72 kilometer, 450 meter. Now write down 43 kilometer, 950 meter. So I am writing here 43 kilometer and 950 meter. So here I will do addition. I will start addition from the smaller unit, right side, meter. So 450 plus 950 is equal to what? Let us add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0, 1 carry over. 9 plus 10, 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. It is 1400 meter. Right. So 1400 meter we can split it into 1000 meter plus 400 meter. It splits 1400 meter equals 1000 meter plus 400 meter. 1000 meter means children 1 kilometer and this is 400 meter. So this 400 I will write here in the meter column. 400 and this 1 kilometer, this 1, it will be go as a carryover in the kilometer column. 1 kilometer is taken as a carryover in the kilometer column. Now we will add 72 plus 43 plus 1. It is 116. So answer is 116 kilometer and 400 meter. What I have done? Firstly add meter column 450 plus 950. It is 1400 children. Now 1400 meter can be split into 1000 meter plus 400 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer and plus 400 meter. 400 meter will go in the meter column and 1 kilometer will go as a carryover in the kilometer column. Now we will add it this kilometer column. 72 plus 43 plus 1. See 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 4 11. So the answer is 116 kilometer and 400 meter. Okay. Now let us discuss the subtraction. Second question. Here children, look carefully. Question number 2 is difference. It means subtraction. Okay. Now I am taking one example from the question. Question is subtract 34 kilometer and 614 meter and 45 kilometer and 525 meter. So here kilometer and meter I am writing here kilometer and meter. Right, 2 units are there. So 34 kilometer and 614 meter. It is taken as a 1 unit. 34 kilometer 614 meter, 1 unit. 45 kilometer 525 meter. So what is the subtraction? We subtract smaller unit from the greater unit. Here 45 kilometer is more because kilometer is greater unit, we compare with the greater unit. So 45, I am writing the greater unit 45 kilometer and 525 meter. Now below this I will write the smaller one 34 kilometer and 614 meter. Now we will do subtraction, right? Now here we will do subtraction. Now here all of you see that in subtraction I will do I'll start from the extreme which side, left side or right side children? It is I will subtract from extreme right side. So here meter is a smaller unit, I will start from the smaller unit. So we have to subtract 525 minus 614. Is it possible? No. We cannot subtract the bigger unit from the smaller unit because 525 is smaller than 614. Then what to do? We have to borrow. From where? We have to borrow from the greater unit, that is kilometer. I will borrow 1 kilometer. So I will borrow 1 kilometer from this 45. So 45 will become what? 44. Right? Borrowing 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to what? 1000 meter. right? This 1000 meter will be added with 525. It becomes 1525. This 1000 kilometer is added here, 525. So 525 plus 1000 is becomes 1525 meter. Right? Now we can do subtraction. 1525 is more and 614 is less. So we can do subtraction. Let's start. 5 minus 4 is 1. Right? 2 minus 1 is 1 and 15 minus 6 is 9. So it is meter. Now here come. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is 10 kilometer. So it is 10 kilometer 911 meter. So children, I think you have understood the method. So you have to follow the method properly. So what is your classwork and what is your homework? So your C work. C work is question number 1 and H work question number 2 of unit 5 and worksheet number 3. Okay. So children, hope you have enjoyed my class, and I think most of the, I think I have I am able to satisfy your queries. If you have any kind of queries, you can contact me in the WhatsApp, and also you can mail me, or we can talk through Cisco. So you have to do, this is your classwork and homework. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.